Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to define concrete wall and ground beam. In some cases, you want to make this kind of concrete wall to your buildings. For example, maybe you want to prevent a forklift crash to your side panels. So let's get started. Let's create a new model. File menu, New Project, and click the New Project button. Our project name is Wall, and I open it. I'm selecting our default template with the default parameters. I click OK. Our model is creating. Our model is created. To define the side wall, you need to click Model tab. Then you have to click Curtain Wall Bond Beam Parameters button. First of all, you need to select the reference axis. As our model has two axes, axis A and axis B are available. I'm going to select axis A. Then you need to define the cross section. You need to define steel grade, concrete grade, and type of the wall. Three types available: curtain wall, or just a bond beam, or none. Let's create a curtain wall. These parameters you have to define. This is the wall height and the thickness of the wall, the foundation height, and of course the thickness of the foundation. Let's make it 1.2 meters. Then I will click Apply Change button. As you can see, the program carry the braces elevation at a higher point. Let's change the wall's elevation. I click the command again and select the reference axis, and let's make it 2 meters. And I click Apply Change button. So that's it. See you next lesson.